We were told that he'd gone out the night before, got into a fight, come home, and when we asked where is the owner had left. There was an actual cloud of flies around him. Every time he shook his head or scratched his ear, they all dispersed and immediately turned around and came straight back to him. He was in such a terrible state. And we're just like, this dog needs urgent vet care. You could just see this poor dog was in complete misery, and even in that, when we lifted him up, there was no aggression.
You enjoying your bath, buddy? Hello, Junior. Hello, Junior.
And we had to kind of wait and see.
Hi, Junior. Hi.
Oh, my sweetheart. Welcome home, buddy. Hi, Junior. You love your bed, Choo-Choo? Choo-Choo loves his bed. Yes, he does.
Junior's found a wonderful home, full of other rescued dogs. It's just been wonderful to see him happy, safe and healthy. It's just such a nice, soft landing for a dog that humans really let down. To see Junior go from basically on the brink of death to just being a big, fluffy baby in his forever home is such an amazing feeling.